Hey guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen channel. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel for this video. So today I'm going to make garlic podi or Poondu idli podi. This is a side dish that is usually made with very healthy ingredients, and it's added with some sesame or gingerly oil and as a side dish for idli dosas. It's very delicious. Now let's see how to make it. So I'll be dry roasting ingredients separately. The first one I'm adding is Channa Dal. Kallaparappu, 3 spoons of this. Medium heat. You have to dry roast this. So it's nicely browned. So this is done. Next is Urad Dal. It started to brown. This is the stage you have to take it off. Next, dry red chilies. This also has to become nice and crisp. So it is roasted to crispy. You can hear the sound. Next, rice. So this is also brown. This is done. Next, garlic. Now I'm going to do this in the lowest of heat so it doesn't burn. And it will take about 15 minutes at least for this to get nice and crisp. There should not be any moisture. So it's been 15 minutes and you can see the sound of it. It's turned crispy, about 90% at least crispy. So this is done. Finally, it's curry leaves. Curry leaves is washed and dried. So it's done. You can see it is done crispy. So I've put everything inside a mixie jar, and finally I'm going to add some Asafoetida. So I'm going to grind this and I'll be back. So garlic idli podi is ready. You can see it's not too smooth, it's in the midst. So this is how it has to be. So you can actually do this for a month. This recipe will be perfect for a month. So yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next recipe. Definitely try out, and yeah guys, ta-da, bye bye.